how to connect Beats Studio Tree to iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. Now first, let's go back to your home screen on the iPhone. With your Beats Studio, on the side there is a button here. So what you want to do is press and hold on this button. So press and hold it for a few seconds. Now because I already pressing it, but if you press and hold on it for a few seconds until you see all the lights start flashing like this. So press and hold like that. And after a short few seconds on your iPhone, it will show the Beat Studio's animation. Once it shows here, you can tap on the connect button. So it is now connecting. Then tap on continued. After that, you can go into settings, and in settings, you can scroll down, and here you can see it shows Beats Studio, and then from there you can manage your Beats Studio Tree headphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.